Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time. I'm never late. Make it there on time. Don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile. I thought that it was smart. Stay in my lane. Always hit the mark. Thought that was the way to get a head start. Perfection's the play. I had the leading part. I realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one else seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so overworking every situation, keeping track of what everybody's doing. Do they have something I lack? Try to prove I could be just as good, but I misunderstood what it's supposed to be about. Realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so coloring inside of the lines, leaving nothing a chance. So nobody's gonna find anything to fold me on. Thought that would mean I'd won. So afraid of being left behind. Did what I could to cut in line. No feelings, acting stone cold. Sitting on my high horse. Ego had a stronghold. I got judgy. Don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far.
Hey friends, welcome back. So yeah, I know it's been a while since I posted, but it's been a lot going on, and it's just been making it hard for me to make content. And it's nothing bad, it's just life. And yeah, I haven't really been able to make content, but as you can see, this living room is a mess. I was, getting it clean. I want to get it ready for fall, so I decided to turn the camera on and show y'all what I'm doing. This is real life. This is what my living room looks like. It don't always look neat. Like I said, this is life, but I'm trying to get it together. I'm going to paint an accent wall, and I have a little decor that I got a little bit of decor, but I'm mostly using what I already have, and I'm going to do a few DIYs to spruce up the place. So yeah, y'all, just watch the video and we're going to see how far I can get today. If I don't get everything done in this video, I'll get it done in another video. But I want to thank y'all for clicking on the video. And if you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you here. And because the space is so small, I'm working one side at a time, and I just move things around. That's all I can do for now. So much junk, but everything just needs to have a place, and that's what we're gonna focus on doing eventually. But for now, we just gonna get this stuff out of the way so I can get started on what I need to do. It's a lot, but I'm gonna get it done. We're gonna get this living room looking like something. Right now it's all discombobulated, but it won't be like this for long. Sometimes I just don't have energy to do stuff. You know, it's just what it is. So I got energy today, so I gotta get it done, right? Got the energy, gotta get stuff done. That's what I gotta do. So, all right, y'all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move all this stuff. I need to move this sofa forward. Gotta get some plastic. I got stuff behind here for my kitchen. If y'all don't know, I'm making over my kitchen. I'm still working on that. But yeah, I got stuff behind here. I gotta get it together. Take these pictures down because we are going to do an accent wall. That means I'm gonna paint. That's what it means. Get everything out of the way. This out of the way. And all of this stuff right here, I'm gonna do a DIY. So you'll see. So let me go put on something to paint in, and I'll come back and we're gonna finish this off. Okay, so I'm putting the plastic down, got my clothes changed. Alright, y'all, so I mixed these two colors. This is Grizzle Gray from Sherwin-Williams and Snowbound White from Sherwin-Williams. Alright, y'all, so y'all can see I started something. So we're going to keep on going. I'm going to see how this turns out. I hope that it turns out to look like something, but we'll see. If not, we just going to have to go to the store and get some more paint and paint over it. That's the best thing about paint. If you mess up, you can just try again. That's all. So we're going to finish this, trying this, see how this works out. Can y'all see? Yeah, I know it's kind of hard, but can y'all see what I'm trying to do? I think it's going to look so nice when it's all done. I ain't get that far yet, but I do like what it's looking like so far. going. Because I'm always got these grand ideas, y'all. I have a lot of grand ideas. I am not liking this. I don't like it. So, change of plans. I'm gonna paint this wall a different color. I don't like it. Alright, y'all, so I had a can of paint lying around. It's alabaster, Sherman-Williams alabaster. So I'm just going to use this paint and just paint the wall back. It's all good. This paint is old, so I had to stir it up real good. And it's just the color alabaster. Just plain old basic wall.
Wanna tell you that I love you and much more, but I just can't find the words now. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my mouth and stop by my pride, yeah. I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need you, even though I'm way long overdue. So if you don't have the will to wait, then I don't wanna keep you. I've got so many things to say, need to tell you I need you. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but trust me, even in the silence time will tell. Time will tell. Guess I blame it on my past. Used to plan the future way too fast. Why repeat it when it hurts so bad? Why repeat it when it never lasts? I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need you, even though I'm way long overdue. So if you don't have the will to wait, then I don't wanna keep you. I've got so many things to say, need to tell you I need you. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but trust me, even in the silence time will tell. Time will tell. Oh, time will tell. Oh, you can.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a DIY.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you